Chef Lorious here. Welcome back to the Love Lab. Happy New Year. 2019 is here. All right, guys, tonight we are making a classic comfort food, roasted tomato soup, but herb roasted tomato soup. Got a little extra kick in it. Lower calories because, you know, we did a lot during the holidays. All right, guys, let's jump right in. We did it, and you see all that's left of my soup is a little piece of toast here. I'm gonna devour this like I devoured the soup, and I will see you guys next time for more Calabama cooking with Chef Lorious. Happy cooking.